Welcome, today I'm with Samsung Galaxy M52 5G and I'll show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper. So first of all you should go to the settings, scroll down and find the wallpaper, tap on that, and now you can choose from your wallpapers, from the gallery, from the wallpaper services. I'll go in with my wallpapers, and here you can examples. For example, you can choose this one and you want to change the lock screen. Tap on the lock screen and now tap on the set on lock screen and wait 1 second. So now we can check that. As you can see, our lock screen wallpaper has successfully changed. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.